working! Oh, it's working! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit. Alright, there's water everywhere. Oh. That was so dumb.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ah, it's alive! What's up, guys? Today we're gonna cut this bad boy open and start the build. Let's go. Halfway there. Woo! So right now it's kind of inaccurate. I'm doing like this burst method where I just go like and yeah, I go and it's kind of inaccurate, but I have sandpaper, so I'll show you guys that I'm gonna sand down the uneven edges so it's safe and it's clean and it doesn't cut me when I'm trying to like clean the tank or something. So right now it's almost done with cutting it, and I just followed this line. So all the tanks have like these kind of like separations, and I use that as a guide. I already used this as a guide since I figured if I cut against this it would be straighter. So and it is. So I recommend if you're gonna cut your tanks, just base it off of this measurement, since at least if you cut against this curve, this line is gonna be straight. It's gonna be easy to sand later. And as you can see, I'm almost done. See, I only have this part left, and I'll be done with cutting it. Let's finish this. We did it. It's done. It's cut open. Thumbnail. So basically this was gonna be like, so it's small, this is a smaller tank, which is really nice for me because I feel like I wanted this to be like a display like on a tabletop. So if this was a bigger tank, it would be too high, it would be bigger, and obviously you can't really put it on a tabletop anymore since it would be too high. But I like this tank that I bought. It's only 300 pesos. It's a bit smaller. So when you do this, it's gonna be like around this high, and that's a pretty good size for a display. You know, you can still see the fish, and you can see the plants growing on top. That's a good combo. So the next thing we're gonna cut is this piece of wood that I got. This is, I think this is a bit too thick, so I would recommend getting something. This would be like the maximum you could get, since I really want to use this for structure. Yeah, so this is 8 feet long, and then I think this is 1.5 inch by 2 inches. So this is 1.5 by 2 inches. I think it's kind of thick, but based on the structure that I'm gonna do, I think it should be. I think it would work. So this should be the thickest that you could get. So I would suggest getting something a bit thinner. Probably I saw 1 by 2 earlier. I think that would work too. You could also use bamboo if you'd like. Since this is already flat on the ground, this would really just be supporting the top part, and I really just wanted to use this because I feel like that would be more stable. I'm also gonna use this for my grow lights. So I wanted something that could handle the weight, and I think this is good for that. I have like a small saw. It can cut through it. It's fine. It will be easy to cut as well. So yeah, let's just start cutting this thing. I'm gonna cut it first. I don't really know the measurement for the required height, so I'll just cut this into three equal measurements, since I'll be using it like this. So 1, 2, 3. It's gonna form like a triangle around it. So I'll just cut this into 3 equal strips, and if it's too long, I can just cut it down. You know, it's better to have something that's too long than too short, because you can't add something to it without it compromising the stability and its strength. So yeah. So this is 8 feet long, but I'm gonna cut it by 3 feet, and I don't think I really need 3 feet, but I think it should reach around 2.5 feet. So I just want to use the 3 feet for the grow lights. So I have like an allowance for the 3 feet, and if it's too long, I can still cut it. So I bought bolts as well. So if something's wrong with this support, I can just remove it and change it. Alright, so we're gonna start cutting the wood. It's got this little saw. There we go. Got 3 pieces of wood right here. Should be perfect for the tank. See? It's just pretty small. So if you put the tank, if you put it against the tank, you can see that's the right size for it. And if you put it on a tabletop, it's still a pretty decent height. Now let's get the sandpaper and start sanding this down, since there's a lot of sharp edges here, and I don't want to cut myself. So yeah. An old project. If you don't have a sander, you can just grab something solid, because if you just sand this with the sandpaper, it's gonna get hot, and you might actually cut yourself when you're sanding the object. So what you could do is you could get something like another hard object. So I just got this spare piece of bamboo that I had, and I wrapped the sandpaper around that, and then I'm just gonna use it to go along the edges. That way, even if it slips, it's not gonna hit my hand, or when it heats up, I can still keep going. It's not gonna burn my hand. So it's pretty good advice, you know. be abrasive. It's not gonna cut my finger anymore. So yeah, done with that. So later on, probably by next week, I don't think I can do it over the weekend, and I don't want to paint inside this this condo unit because it's gonna reek of paint, and the fumes might get to me if it's a small confined space. So next week I'll be going somewhere else to paint this. I think even you guys can just look for an outdoor space where you can paint it. I know this was meant to be a project just for a condominium or like a small home, but I think everybody has access to an outdoor space. So even if it's not your own, maybe you can look around and try to find other spaces where you can paint this. So safety first. So my estimation skills were pretty good. I was like getting bags of the rocks, right? And my friends were like saying, "Isn't that a bit much? 6 bags?" I was like, "No, this is like the right amount." Guess what? It is. So yeah. So 6 bags of pumice rocks. I'm not sure how much this is, but if you go to Cartimar, this is only 100 for 3 bags. So you just need to get 6 bags, and that would be perfect for this bad boy.